It's your boys Will.
Okay. KP.
Oh,
Alright.
you fucker. Anyway, back with another hit. Call that track phone shorty. But we ain't gonna
Okay.
talk too much. We gonna get into it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Uh. Track phone shorty. Track phone shorty. Track phone. Track phone shorty. 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 Circle on your phone shorty. You probably with your friends $10 phone shorty. You ain't got no money. Try to act like you be ballin'. Don't wanna use your minutes. Only a couple people calling. If you need some money, nigga, will I help you out? Here go $50 so you can call out. You look at your phone, man, why it ain't ringing? Cause you ain't got no minutes. Somebody need to upgrade. Then you older than me. Somebody should be ashamed. Cause I'm only 15 and my phone staying ringing, man. Track phone shorty. 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 Track phone shorty.
Okay.
Track phone.
Circle on your phone. $10 so you can turn it on. Pick up your phone. Man, I think it's ringing. Go to Family Dollar so you can get some minutes. Just came from Walmart. Open up the box and your phone is straight talk.
Phone shorty. Track 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 phone shorty. How you tryna stud with a track phone? If you need $10, go call me. I will turn it on. This nigga trying to stunt, but with that sucker up on your phone, man, you just front. Track phone shorty. Track phone shorty. Track phone shorty.
Track phone. Man, that's so wrong. What you gonna do when all your minutes gone? Track. Okay, track phone shorty. Track phone shorty. Let go.
Track phone shorty.
We kill that.